Ask Tom on Home Show.
Karen from New Hope, Pennsylvania has a holy issue.
She certainly does. She just had her new house painted, and this happened. If you can see up there, she's got those continuous soffit vents there, and there's a hole punched in the middle. And Karen writes, in the process, my old soffit vents developed a hole, and I want to know what's the best repair. Can I repair it, repair part of it, or do I need to replace the whole thing, Tom?
I don't know what you can do short of replacing the whole thing. That whole soffit vent is damaged. It's got paint in it for one thing, which really restricts all the airflow, so it kind of defeats the purpose, number one. The little hole, if you're worried about a bug or something, that's the least of your worries. The whole thing just looks old and damaged. Now, here's the problem. To replace that, it's really difficult because it's up underneath that soffit board. So when they start digging it out, and it comes in about 6 to 8 foot lengths, for someone to cut it neatly and replace a little piece is almost next to impossible. So you're almost looking, if you really want to repair it properly, is replacing the soffit. And I, of course, would recommend like a Hardie perforated soffit. You don't have to deal with these issues anymore. The paint doesn't stick in the holes, and nobody's going to put a hole in it. If you do a continuous soffit, you'd have to remove one of those soffit boards, put in a brand new one, which would be nice. And if they paint it, they don't clog it up full of paint, and then they'd have to replace that one piece of soffit in either the front or the back. The front would be the easiest to replace. But it's a little bit harder to replace the whole thing than you think. Repairing just a little piece is really not even worth the trouble. And I'm more concerned about all the paint in the holes than I am that little hole there.
Yeah, you wonder what else did that painter get into in the middle of the project.
They just slopped that paint on really poorly. They should have put a piece of tape over it and then painted it with a brush or something. Just made it a little neater, but they just gooped that paint right in those little holes. So it's kind of a mess they left you. And I don't know what it looked like beforehand. Maybe it looked just that bad, only it didn't have the hole. I don't know.
You got a question? I'll tell you what he knows. He knows the answers. Click on Ask Tom at HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out this form, send it in, and we will answer your question just like that. And we post them at HomeShowRadio.com and, of course, on our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio. Look for us on YouTube.